Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into how to download Roblox on your Android device, with updated steps for a smooth installation. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and locate the Google Play Store app. Go ahead and open it up to access a world of apps. Next, focus your attention on the search bar at the top. Type in Roblox and hit enter. This will bring up a list of options related to the game. Now, you'll want to find the official Roblox app. It's developed by Roblox Corporation, so make sure to select the one that matches that description. A simple tap on the app will take you to the download page. Once you're on the Roblox app page, look for the Install button. Clicking this will start the download process and install the app directly on your device. It only takes a few moments, so hang tight. When the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button. Simply tap on it and voila! You're ready to enter the exciting world of Roblox. You can either create a new account if you're a newcomer, or log in with your existing account if you're returning. And there you have it. Now you're all set to explore, create, and play. Enjoy your Roblox adventures, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.